Hi friends, welcome to your milestone channel. Today's video is about New Education Policy 2020. New Education Policy 2020. In India, initially education policy framed in the year 1986 and modified in the year 1992. After 3 decades, now new education policy has been introduced and approved by Central Cabinet of Ministers. The new Education Policy 2020 draft was prepared by panel of experts headed by former ISRO chief K. Kasturirangan. The main aim of New Education Policy 2020 is making India a global knowledge superpower. Education Ministry will constitute National Committee for Integration of Vocational Education. National Education Policy 2020 speaks for creation of National Research Foundation and Higher Education Commission of India. The key points in New Education Policy 2020 are major reforms in school education, major reforms in higher education, Indian knowledge systems, languages, culture and values, use of technology and outcomes of New Education Policy 2020. First key point, major reforms in school education. Universalization of early childhood care education, National Mission of Foundational Literacy and Numeracy, 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 circular and pedagogical structure, curriculum to integrate 21st century skills and mathematical thinking. No rigid separation between arts and science, between curricular and extracurricular activities, between occasional and academic streams, education of gifted children, gender inclusion fund, Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya is extended up to grade 12, reduction in curriculum to core concepts, vocational integration from class 6 onwards. New National Curriculum Framework for ECE, school, teachers and adult education. Board examination will below stakes based on knowledge application. Medium of instruction till at least grade 5 and preferably till grade 8 and to be in home language or mother language or regional language. 360 degrees holistic progress card of child, tracking student progress for achieving learning outcomes, National Assessment Center, PARAC, performance assessment review and analysis of knowledge for holistic development, National Testing Agency to offer common entrance examinations for higher educational institutions, National Professional Standards for teachers, book promotion policy and digital libraries, transparent online self-disclosure for public oversight and accountability. Now, second key point, major reforms in higher education. 50% gross enrollment ratio by 2035. Holistotonic and multidisciplinary education, flexibility of subjects, multiple entry and exit scheme for UG program 3 or 4 years, PG program 1 or 2 years, integrated 5 years bachelor's or master's degree, MPhil to be discontinued, credit transfer and academic bank of credits, research intensive, teaching intensive, universities and autonomous degree granting colleges, model multidisciplinary education and research universities. Graded autonomy, academic, administrative and financial, phasing out affiliation system in 15 years, National Mission on Monitoring, Independent Board of Governors, single regulator for higher education excluding legal and medical, online self-disclosure based transparent system for approvals in place of inspections, common norms for public and private higher educational institutes, private philanthropic partnership, fee fixation within board regulatory framework, public investment in education sector to reach 6% of GDP at the earliest, National Research Foundation, internationalization of education, integration of vocational, teacher and professional education, setting up of new quality higher educational institutes has been made easier. Standalone higher educational institutes and professional education institutions will evolve into multidisciplinary. Special Education Zone for Disadvantaged Regions, National Institute for Pali, Persian and Prakrit, National Educational Technology Forum, Ministry of Human Resources and Development to be renamed as Ministry of Education. Now, third key point, Indian knowledge system, languages, culture and values. Focus on literature and scientific vocabulary of Indian languages. Language faculty. Strengthening national institutes for promotion of classical languages and literature. Indian Institute of Translation and Interpretation. Cultural awareness of our Indian knowledge systems. Promoting traditional arts or Lokvidya. School or school complex to have artists in their residence. Now, fourth key point, use of technology. Education planning, teaching, learning and assessment, administration and management, regulation, self-disclosure and minimum human interface. Increase access for disadvantaged groups. Divyang friendly education software, e-content in regional languages, virtual labs, National Educational Technology Forum, digitally equipped schools, teachers and students. Now, fifth point, outcomes of New Education Policy 2020. Universalization from ECCE to secondary education by 2030 along with SDG 4. Attaining foundational learning and numeracy skills through National Mission by 2025. 100% GE ratio in preschool to secondary level by 2030. Bring back 2 crores of children to school. Teachers to be prepared for assessment reforms by 2023. Inclusive and equitable education system by 2030. Board exams to test core concepts and application of knowledge. Every child will come out of school adapting at least one skill. Common standards of learning in public and private schools. This is all about New Education Policy 2020. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel yourmilestone.com or subscribe through email and like us on Facebook for latest updates. Thank you for your valuable time. Please do comment, share and subscribe for more notifications like this.